If you're looking to create passive income streams using affiliate tools, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, we'll show you how to get started and how to make the most of the best affiliate tools available. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also give you an exclusive free trial to the software we'll be using in this video. Creating passive income streams with affiliate tools is simpler than you might think. And today, we're going to walk through the exact steps you need to take. First, let's talk about the basics. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting products or services. And when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. To make this work for you, affiliate tools play a huge role in automating and scaling your efforts. The first tool you need is a solid affiliate platform to find products to promote. A good affiliate software will give you access to thousands of products and services that you can partner with and will handle tracking, commissions, and reporting for you. I've tried all the popular platforms, and I recommend using the one we'll show you today. It makes everything incredibly easy. Once you've picked your affiliate program, the next step is to focus on content creation. You need to create valuable content for your audience that encourages them to click on your affiliate links. It can be blog posts, social media content, YouTube videos, or even email campaigns. Your content should focus on solving problems or answering questions your audience has, with affiliate links naturally integrated where they make sense. Now this is where affiliate tools truly shine. The software you'll use will help you generate unique affiliate links, manage your campaigns, and track the performance of your links in real time. This lets you see which products are performing best, so you can double down on the strategies that work. To make the process even easier, the software I recommend allows you to create pre-made email templates, landing pages, and even automated follow-up sequences that can work 24/7 to bring in more commissions for you. This saves you time and lets you scale your passive income efforts without constant manual effort. So, what are the key tools you need to start creating passive income streams with affiliate marketing? First, a platform to find and promote affiliate products. Second, content creation tools to deliver value to your audience. And third, an automation tool that will track your performance and scale your efforts with ease. Key takeaway: affiliate tools are essential for creating passive income streams because they streamline the process, save you time, and help you scale quickly. By using the right software, you can set up automated systems that work for you around the clock. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial in the description below for the software we used in this video. It's only available to viewers of my channel, so make sure you take advantage of it. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your passive income journey.